Heat a fork over a flame and get rid of the problem once and for all. Use the hot fork to make many small holes in the upper part of a plastic bottle, about 1/3 of the way down. Then trim off the top of the bottle with a knife. From the bottom section, leave about 5 centimeters and cut off the rest to create a small container. Pour in 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which absorbs moisture and neutralizes odors. Add 1 bay leaf and 5 cloves. Bay leaf and cloves have an intense aroma that repels moths and ants. Close the container using the top part of the bottle. Place it wherever insects appear most often. It works especially well near dry goods such as flour, sugar, groats, or rice, where moths and other pests are commonly attracted. You can also place it near fruit, where fruit flies often gather. This is a simple way to get rid of fruit flies. A good spot is also near the sink, where moisture and food residue tend to collect. The natural aroma of the mixture will gradually be released and effectively discourage pests from staying in these areas. It is a simple, homemade way to keep insects out of the kitchen. My grandma's friend boils toilet paper once a month. She's the one who shared this trick with me. It might sound strange, but it really works. Start by preparing a deep pan and fill it halfway with water. You'll need a regular roll of toilet paper. Once the water starts boiling, place the entire roll inside. Toilet paper has a unique texture. When soaked, it absorbs a lot of water, making it perfect for this method. Make sure the paper is fully saturated. Then remove the cardboard tube from the center. Use tongs to break the wet paper into smaller pieces. Transfer everything into a large bowl and blend it using a mixer to get a finer texture. Add a bit of cinnamon. It has antibacterial and insect-repelling properties. Also, add some ground coffee. Its aroma is energizing and lingers in the air for a long time. Blend everything thoroughly, then shape the mixture into small balls. Place them in paper muffin liners. Now put these balls around your home, in the bathroom, near the fridge, or by the sink. This combination not only smells great, but also helps repel unwanted insects. A simple, chemical-free home remedy that really works. Definitely worth trying. Mix garlic with dish soap. The result will surprise you. This simple trick helps you get rid of ants, cockroaches, spiders, silverfish, and even bedbugs. The spray also keeps them from coming back. Ever since I started using it, I haven't seen a single insect in my home. Grab a pan and 1 fresh head of garlic. You'll need 4 cloves. Garlic has antifungal and antibacterial properties, and its strong smell repels bugs. Peel the cloves and place the skins in the pan. Pour in about 200 milliliters of water and stir. Let the garlic skins boil in the water. Once it comes to a boil, let it cool for a bit. Strain the mixture into a container, add 3 tablespoons of alcohol, and stir. Then add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and mix again. The dish soap will leave your home smelling fresh. Finally, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spritz it on all your countertops. I guarantee you won't see another bug in your house. Just a few drops can completely transform your home. You'll notice the difference right away. It's a brilliant trick my neighbor accidentally discovered. Start by grabbing a tall container. Add 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce. Its strong aroma and natural compounds make it perfect for this. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar helps eliminate bacteria and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then pour in 5 tablespoons of dish soap. The ratio matters. Dish soap acts as an emulsifier. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth liquid. Pour it into a spray bottle and toss in a few whole cloves. Their strong, spicy scent has both repelling and antiseptic properties. Now it's time to use it. Spray your kitchen counters, windowsills, table, or any other area. This simple mixture makes an incredibly effective insect spray. Its smell is unbearable for bugs. Just a few ingredients can make your home feel fresh and pest-free for a long time. My uncle, the gardener, has always done this. Grate soap around the plants in the garden. The soap creates a natural repellent barrier. It disrupts the scent trails used by pests. It protects plants from snails, ants, and other unwanted guests. No need for chemicals or complicated solutions. Just a simple bar of soap is enough. Just 1 hour is enough to get rid of ants. This trick will make ants flee. allowing you to eliminate an entire ant colony without using harmful chemicals. Let me show you how it's done. Take a lemon, which is the key ingredient for this trick. Also, gather some matches, which are the second most important component. Remove the matches from the box and stick them into the lemon, wooden side down. You should use quite a few matches. Your lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the ant mound or in a spot where ants frequently appear. You'll start seeing results in just a few minutes and the final effect within an hour. During this time, the matches will absorb the lemon juice, causing the sulfur to dissolve and seep into the lemon. This combination repels ants because the substances in the lemon peel are toxic to them, and the sulfur enhances the effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to reach for chemical insecticides right away. Homemade remedies can be quite effective. Sprinkle pepper under doors and windows. It might sound like nonsense, but it actually works incredibly well. This is a really clever trick. Unfortunately, many of us deal with ants in the garden or on the patio. With this method, you can get rid of them in just seconds. It only takes a moment. Ants usually follow the same path when trying to get somewhere. If you've spotted their route, that's perfect. Just grab some pepper and sprinkle it along their trail. Ants won't walk through pepper. It's an impassable barrier for them, but the most important areas to treat are the entrances to your home. Sprinkle pepper under your doors and windows, and you'll be able to say goodbye to ants in your house for good. Buy it at the pharmacy and apply it to window and door frames. You'll get rid of mosquitoes in your home without using strong chemicals. Simply apply this ointment to the window frames, and no annoying insects will enter your home. This ointment contains ingredients like menthol, eucalyptus, and camphor. They repel mosquitoes with their strong scent. It's a natural solution that not only protects your interiors, but also doesn't harm the environment. The best part is that the scent of this ointment is pleasant to humans, so you can enjoy a comfortable atmosphere in your home while getting rid of pesky insects. Avoid using toxic sprays and chemical products that can harm your health and the environment. Instead, use VapoRub and enjoy peaceful evenings without troublesome mosquitoes. The scent of VapoRub lasts a long time, so just apply it to windows or windowsills every now and then to keep mosquitoes from entering your home.
The most effective way to use a mosquito coil without burning it is as follows. Place the coil under a stream of warm water. When it becomes soft, start breaking it into smaller pieces into a bowl. You won't find this method on the packaging. Once you have broken the entire coil, add some rubbing alcohol to it. Then take half a lemon and squeeze it completely. And that's it. The preparation of the mixture took less than 2 minutes. Take it to the terrace or garden. The scent effectively repels mosquitoes. The coil doesn't need to be burned at all. Used in this way, it works just as effectively. Moreover, it lasts much longer. You can place it on the table and enjoy the outdoors without worrying about mosquitoes. Did you know that mosquito coils could be used in this way?